Hey guys, on this video, we're going to answer these questions. How do I add a new contact to my Go High Level Customer Relationship Management or CRM? So if you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open your Go High Level account, go to the contacts, and once you're on the contact, I want you to click the plus sign. You will see here add contact. Simply add the contact, and this is very straightforward. The first one is you can add the photo of your customers or the company logo of your customers. You can type the first name, last name here, and email address and the phone number. You can also categorize if this customer is a lead or a contacts or a customer. And also you can also change the time zones of your customers. So probably you're doing global business and you have clients from the Philippines, so you can change your time zone here for your customers. Or not, probably you are in Nova Scotia and your client is in Edmonton, you can select here the time zone of your customers. That's one thing. And also you have also the full options if the customers have limitations. For example, the customers only wants to receive an email from you, so you can simply disable the text message, the call, the Google My Business, and the Facebook Messenger. Or you want just, they just want to receive an email. They don't want to receive a text message or call either, so just simply check this one. So that's super easy. And then click save after that, and you will see your contact on this section. So, and that's how easy to import or to add a new contact to your Go High Level CRM. Now, as a bonus tip, I'm going to show you how to import a contact. So let's assume that you have a huge numbers of leads or customer data. Let's say you have hundreds or thousands of leads. You can easily import these new contacts by following the step. The first one is go to the contact and click import contacts. Once you are here, simply click or select contacts and click next. And now you just click or drag the data or the files. So for this demo, I'll just click this one and it shows all the data that I have. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to select this data, which is referral. Double click that one to make sure it's a CSV. Just in case you don't know the format of the files, you can simply download the sample files and follow the guidelines or the format before you upload your data in Go High Level. Now, the next step is you need to select create and update contacts. This is the best practice for two reasons. Number one, you can add your contacts, and if this contacts is already on your system, it will update and it will avoid duplications. All right, so just create update and then click next. Once you're here, you will see here preview information. The preview information, this is the informations that you have. That's from your CSV or from the data that you uploaded. On the right side, which is the field section, you need to match here. You need to match the information. So it says here, canceled or state or status, just click state. And you can also see here email, so you need to make sure this is also an email. All right, and then that's it. So this is the created. You don't need to do the you don't need to upload this data. And then subscribe or the state, I'll just cancel this. I don't need to do I don't need to upload the status. And all right, that's it. So I just want to upload here is the email. So this is the email, and I'm going to match the field and email. And then it will ask you, do you want to import the unmapped columns? Just click don't import data on the 5 unmapped column. The 5 unmapped column is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the unmapped column. Once you're done, click next. From here, you can create smart list. You can import the contact to a form or workflow. You can create a smart list, or you can add this to your existing workflow, or you can add tag. For this demo purposes, my best practice is I always add the tags. The reason why I add tags is because I want to make sure that when I'm sending, I can customize my message based from the tag, or I can easily filter my data based from the tag. So I strongly suggest to have a proper tag. Now, if you don't want this, just uncheck this one. You will see here, and you just need to click I confirm all contacts in this import have consent to hear from us. So they have, it just says that you agree and confirm that all the data that you're uploading in Go High Level, they have a consent to you. All right. And then just start bulk import. And once it's done, you will see the status here. So you can check the status of your upload by going to the bulk action. The bulk action, you will see the data that is uploaded. For example, okay, so for example, this demo, this is the data for my webinar. Just click show stats. You will see here how many people that is imported and how many percent that is imported successfully. So here I imported 52 and I'm successfully imported 52 data. All right, there's no or zero there's no error or zero error. All right, so that's it. That's how easy to add a new contact to your Go High Level account. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'm super happy to answer all your questions in Go High Level. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.